Final demonstration. All right, ready again.
Pay attention.
Okay, look at that, huh? From big size is totally different, okay? Heat it up. Wait until change the color. And you can check, look, see? The color started to change now. That's the first one. Now it's dry. Final one. Fill in. We're gonna wait for 10 seconds or 15 seconds. It's okay.
LMK?
All right. And then before you do this, so that you have less oxidation. Okay. Round. Look. You see that flying right now on the floor? That is the oxidation I'm talking about.
Oh.
That's perfect right there. See that? Have you seen any holes on the side? No way, no. Did you see too much thing coming out? No, right? This is the oxidation I'm talking about. See that?
Oh Lord.
You see that?
No.
Yeah. So that's why when you do the brazing, make it sure you have nitrogen that flowing on the line. We're gonna do that in here. I will teach you. But this one, our objective first is what? For you to know how to do the brazing before we do the rest, okay? With the nitrogen. Okay? You see that? And you don't want that goes to your what? To the line, including with the prion, right? So that's why it is very important that we put nitrogen. But since we're going to use this for demonstration,
Oh, see Ramirez?
What I say?
-10.